Now let's see a problem on disguised dealer. What is a disguised dealer? Now let us compare him with an ideal dealer. What is an ideal dealer? An ideal dealer is the one who buys it as rupees 100 and sells it at rupees 100 only. Which means he is not making any profit, is not making any loss, which is not something that generally happens. What happens generally, say I buy it at rupees 100 and I sell it at rupees 120. So the profit that is being made in this case is rupees 20. Right? This is the general scenario that happens. But then comes someone who is a disguised dealer. What is a disguised dealer? He will do a disguise while buying. So he'll do a disguise while buying, and he will do a disguise while selling as well. So even while selling, he is doing a disguise. How is that happening? How is he doing a disguise while buying as well as while selling? So let's say this dealer is buying fruits. Okay, he's buying fruits. He's buying fruits from where? He buys fruits from farmer, and he sells it to whom? He sells it to customer. Okay, and this is your dealer. What is a disguise that he is doing here? He is doing a disguise by first from farmer. This is called as a buying disguise. How he does that? He is telling the farmer that I am taking 100 gram of fruits from you. But then he uses something called as a false weight. With this false weight, he takes goods worth rupees 110 grams. So he takes fruits worth rupees 110 grams while he says it to the farmer that I am taking 100 gram only. Farmer doesn't know about it. Why? Because the dealer is using a false weight in this case. So that's how he does a disguise. So he's already made a profit while buying. Now while selling, how does he make a disguise? So say he is selling it to the customer, and he's telling the customer that I am giving you fruits which are 100 gram, which are worth rupees 100 gram. But he again uses this false weight. Now to his advantage, he gives the customer only 90 grams. He gives the customer only 90 grams, thus making a profit by false weight. Now imagine he's already making a profit by selling it at a higher price, but he's also making a disguise by selling him lesser than what the customer expects. That's how he can do a buying disguise while buying it from the farmer, and he can do a selling disguise while selling it to the customer. And this is just one way of disguise, that is by using a false weight that you can see it here. There are other ways of buying disguise as well, which you can see it by a discount, which we'll see it in the next part. He gets it at a lesser price than the actual, so he gets it from a discounted price from the farmer. That is again a buying disguise. And we'll see one more part of the selling disguise, which is a markup. So he marks it up over the cost price, which is again become part of his disguise. So first, let us start with the basics of false weight. How can a disguised dealer use a false weight to his advantage and make a profit out of it?